Good morning, students. Today we will be starting a new lesson of physics. Name is magnetic effects of electric current. That is chapter 13. So we have already studied the electricity chapter. So we will now be moving with this magnetic effects of electric current. In Joule's law of heating, we have learned that some heating effects are associated with current. Now we will be learning the magnetic effects. So first I will do some reading part. In the previous chapter on electricity, we learned about the heating effects of electric current. What could be the other effects of electric current? That means electric current is giving the heating effects. What other effects are given by electric current? We know that an electric current carrying wire behave like a magnet. Let us perform the following activity to reinforce it. So here you are seeing a diagram in which there is a cardboard. ABCDs are like a cardboard, and a hole is drilled in this cardboard and a wire is passing through this cardboard. So this is a battery, ammeter, variable resistor, and the current is passing from this direction, negative to positive. So you know means how the ammeter is connected to in the circuit. So this is activity 13.1. Take a straight thick copper wire and place it between the point X and Y in an electric circuit. The wire XY is kept perpendicular to the plane of the paper. Horizontally place a small compass near to this copper wire. See the position of its needle. Pass the current through the circuit by inserting the key into the plug. Observe the change in the position of the compass needle. We see that the needle is deflected. What does it mean? It means that the electric current through the copper wire has produced a magnetic effect. Thus we can say that electricity and magnetism are linked to each other. Then what about the reverse possibility of an electric effect of moving magnets? In this chapter we will study magnetic fields and such electromagnetic effects. We shall also study about electromagnets and electric motors which involve the magnetic effect of electric current, and electric generator which involve the electric effect of moving magnets. Hans Christian Ørsted, one of the leading scientists of the 19th century, played a crucial role in understanding electromagnetism. In 1828, he accidentally discovered that a compass needle got deflected when an electric current passed through a metallic wire placed nearby. Through this observation, Ørsted showed that electricity and magnetism were related phenomena. His research later created technologies such as the radio, television, and fiber optics. The unit of magnetic field strength is named the Ørsted in his honor. So what is the meaning of this topic? They have taken a wire which is passing through a cardboard, means a hole is drilled in the cardboard and it is connected to a circuit. You can connect a key here also. You can connect a key like this. Battery. So what is this? This is the plane of paper, and this cardboard will also have the plane. Now you place a magnetic compass. You have read about this magnetic compass in class 6th, near to wire. Pass the current in the circuit, means attach the battery on the key. Current will start running through the wire in this direction, negative to positive, this direction. So what he observed? He observed that the needle of this magnetic compass got deflected. Observation is the needle of this magnetic compass got deflected. Deflected means like this. It got displacement. Some displacement is seen in the magnetic needle. Deflection means like this. Deflection. So the needle of magnetic compass got deflected. Why? What he concluded? He concluded that some magnetic field is linked with this wire in which current is running. That means he concluded that a magnetic field is linked with a wire in which current is running. That means in wire, what is running? Electric current is running. And due to that electric current around the wire, a magnetic field got generated. And this magnetic field is deflecting the needle of wire. That means some magnetic field is linked with the electric current, with the electricity. So some magnetic effect is linked with the running current. So that means in the earlier chapter we have studied that heating effects are linked with the running current, and in this chapter a new prediction arose. The magnetic effects are linked with the running current. So this condition means both magnetic effects and both electricity effects, means both heating effects are linked with the current. This concept is comes in the category of electromagnets. That means electricity is also included in this concept, and magnetism is also included in this concept. But here we are dealing with this magnetism concept only. So a magnetic field will get generated around the wire in which current is running, due to which we are getting a deflection in the needle of magnetic compass. So this is a concept. So we will study in the coming lectures that when electricity moves through a conductor, magnetic effects get generated, and when magnets are moving, then electricity gets generated. So all these concepts, they come in the category of electromagnets, and so many devices are designed on these principles, like electric motor. It is designed on the effects of magnetic effect of electric current. What is this magnetic effect of electric current? We have discussed this only, na? Magnetic effect of electric current. This means when current flows through a conductor, a magnetic field will get generated around the conductor. This is known as magnetic effects of electric current. So this is known as magnetic effects. So electric motor, it is based on the principle of magnetic effects of electric current. Electric generator, it is also based on the magnetic effects. So they combine the effects of electricity also and magnets also. And this experiment that we have discussed above is performed by this scientist whose name is Oersted, Hans Christian Oersted. So he performed this experiment, and using his study only, the other scientists developed radio, television, and now the broadband services in which the data is moving in fiber optics. Means fiber is used to transmit information from one place to another, like Jio is now planning this fiber broadband. So all these concepts, they are being utilized based on the principles that have been found by these type of scientists. So in this topic you will be able to know what are the magnetic effects of electric current. So make it as a question, explain the magnetic effects of electric current. You can explain this by this experiment that we have discussed in above portion. So here is a question that is from the NCERT. Why does a compass needle get deflected when brought near a bar magnet? Its answer can be given on the topic that we have read earlier. Next topic is 13.1, magnetic field and field lines. So I will do some reading part first. We are familiar with the fact that a compass needle gets deflected when brought near a bar magnet. A compass needle is in fact a small bar magnet. The ends of the compass needle point approximately towards north and south directions. The end pointing towards north is called north pole. The end that points towards south is called south pole. Like poles repel each other, unlike poles attract each other. So activity 13.2. You see this diagram 13.2. They have taken a bar magnet and they have placed some iron fillings around it. Fix a sheet of white paper on a drawing board using some Fevicol. Place a bar magnet in the center. Sprinkle some iron fillings uniformly. Now tap the board gently. What do you observe? The iron fillings arrange themselves in a pattern. Why they are arranging in a pattern? What is the information given by this pattern? The magnet exerts its influence in the region surrounding it. Therefore, the iron fillings, they experience a force. The force thus exerted makes iron fillings to arrange in a pattern. The region surrounding a magnet in which the force of magnet can be detected is said to have magnetic field. The lines along which the iron fillings align themselves represent magnetic field lines. So here we are ending here. Now we will come on to the understanding part. So next topic is magnetic field and magnetic field lines. So what we are doing the magnetic field and magnetic field lines. In the previous experiment, we have placed a magnetic compass on the cardboard, and the needle of this magnetic compass got deflected when current start running through this conductor. Now this is a magnetic compass. Suppose it is having one end, suppose it is painted red, and one it is painted blue. This magnetic compass, it is behaving as a bar magnet. How it is behaving as a bar magnet? A bar magnet has two poles. One is north pole and one is south pole. And it is also having two ends. The end of magnetic compass, which is which is facing the north of the earth. That means its one end will be facing the north of earth, and its one end will be facing the south of earth. The pole of magnetic compass, or the end of magnetic compass, which is facing the north of earth, is north pole of the magnet, because it is just behaving like a bar magnet, na. So it will have the two poles, one is north pole and one is south pole. End of the needle, which is towards the north of earth, is known as north pole, and the end of the needle, which is facing towards the south of earth, is south pole. So one end will face towards north of the earth, that is known as north pole, and one end will face towards the south of the earth, that is known as south pole. So it follows, the bar magnet has two poles, north pole and south pole, and the ends of this bar magnet follow some rules. Like pole repel each other and unlike pole attract each other. That means if two bar magnets are there, north and north, they will repel each other, but north and south, they will attract each other. So what we have studied means a magnetic compass is behaving just like a bar magnet. So in this activity number 13.2, what they have explained, they have taken a cardboard. On cardboard they have fixed a white sheet. Suppose they have fixed a white sheet. This is a white sheet, and they have placed a bar magnet in the center of this white sheet, and they have also placed some iron fillings around the bar magnet. After some time, what happens? These iron fillings, they will arrange themselves in certain patterns. Pattern means some shapes. Why they are arranging themselves in certain shapes? Because this bar magnet is having some magnetic effects around it. That means some magnetic effects are present here also, A position also, some magnetic effects are present at B position also, some magnetic effects are present at C position also. Due to that magnetic effects, a force is acting on the iron fillings. That means a magnet has some magnetic effects around it. Due to that magnetic effects, a force is acting on iron fillings, and due to that force, they are arranging themselves in a particular pattern. Why they are arranging themselves in a particular pattern? Because of force due to magnetic effects is acting on them, and this magnetic effect is means spread to some area. Suppose this is a bar magnet, it is magnetic effects are present here also, magnetic effects are present here also, here also, here also. So these magnetics are effects are present in some area. So the area that is around the bar magnet in which we can observe the magnetic effects due to magnet, it is known as a magnetic field. What is this magnetic field? Magnetic field is an area around the magnet in which we can feel the magnetic effects due to magnet. That means a area around the magnet in which, that means in that area we can observe the magnetic effects due to magnet, in which magnetic effects are observed due to magnet. So this is a concept. And these iron fillings, they are arranging themselves in a pattern, means they are arranging themselves in lines. That lines in which the iron fillings arrange themselves, they are known as the magnetic field lines. So this pattern, this pattern will give information about the magnetic field lines. That means magnet has magnetic field lines around them. So we will read about these magnetic field lines, means what information is provided by these magnetic field lines. That means a magnet has two things around it. First is magnetic effects and second is magnetic field lines. So the lines along which the iron fillings arrange themselves, they are known as the magnetic field lines. In this topic we have studied two definitions. One is a magnetic field and second is magnetic field lines. What is this magnetic field? This is an area around the magnet in which force due to magnet can be felt, in which magnetic force can be felt. And what are the magnetic field lines? Lines around the magnet in which iron fillings arrange themselves. So this is a concept. So we have also studied means a magnetic compass behave like a bar magnet. So we have generated two definitions here, magnetic field and magnetic field lines. So we are ending our lecture here. Means in the review part what we have discussed, that means when a current is flowing through a conductor, a magnetic field will get generated around the conductor. So how this has been verified? This has been verified by placing a compass near to the conductor in which current is running. So the needle got deflected, that means magnetic field is linked with the current running in the conductor. These are known as the magnetic effects of electric current. So second concept we have discussed is magnetic field lines and magnetic field. How we have means reached to these conclusions by taking a activity. We have taken a bar magnet, around it we have placed some iron fillings. Iron fillings, they are arranging themselves in a pattern. Why it is arranging themselves in a pattern? Because magnetic effect act on those iron fillings. Due to that, force will act on those iron fillings and they will arrange themselves in certain patterns in the shape of lines, curved lines. These curved lines are known as magnetic field lines. And a bar magnet is also having an area around it in which we can feel the magnetic effects due to bar magnet. This is known as the magnetic field. So make a question. Question number first, what are the magnetic effects of electric current? Second question is what is magnetic field and what are the magnetic field lines? So hope you enjoyed today's lecture. Thank you very much.